maganda. Ako!
Welcome to Noli Maguad!
Ang programang tanging bisyo lang ay...
Magmahal!
Hello mga kabangbang, nagtutog tayo ngayon sa Gaisano, and since wala tayong bag for our hike this coming Saturday, I only have this one. I'm actually planning to use this one, but then, okay, I have to realize na kailangan ko talagang magpalit ng damit. So I found this one. It's a dry bag, 10 liters. 10 liters lang, they have 30 liters actually, but I'm a heavy packer if I have a big bag. And pag maliit lang yung bag ko, I could actually fit everything in here. Mas mukhang legit to. Wait lang, let's try. Let's see. It's cost the same din, $3.9. Meron pa pala dito. And this is perfect. Sana, but it's so big. I don't wanna bring big bag. So yan na natin. I'm having a hard time because I really like this one because it's pink. Basically because it's pink, that's why I like it. Pero, we'll buy this one and looks for warm. May nakita na naman ako. This one is 15 liters. There. Mukhang mas matibay ito. Ako, may nakita na naman ako. Ayoko na. Uwi na tayo. This is actually the one I'm planning to buy. At least, I could still use this sa work. Tag $4.99. Well, this is also 500 pesos. $4.99. We are now here at Daiso and I found the warmer I'm looking for. It's actually a poncho. But I also found before, I think it's in Watson's. Maliit lang siya. Pang emergency kit na blanket. So, ito yung sa head. Then you have this one. I get this. Alright. I'm here at the 3rd floor food court ng Robinsons. Kanina I came from Gaisano and I haven't taken my lunch. It's already past 3. Magpo-4. Yeah. Grilled yampo. Liempo, and I bought not 2 rice but this is only rice. It's a working lunch at 4 p.m. Diba? Well, let's keep ourselves busy kasi namimiss ko nang umuwi ng Iloilo. And yeah, let's see. Ay, wala ako ano. Ako spoon and fork. Let's get one here. I'm hungry na gidya. Cheers! Nakain ako ng marami. Baka pag-akyat natin ng bundok, wala akong makakain doon na. Yeah. We have 1.5 liters of Gatorade and 2 liters of water for tomorrow. I was reminded by the ever-supportive my overtea partner and nung Bonnie, welcome to the vlog. Anong last message mo sa akin before kung magsaka?
Soar high.
Soar high, thank you so much. I will really soar high tomorrow. Thank you so much.
And take care.
Yes, I will. See you on Monday. So basically, I don't know how to pack hiking gears. I have my clothes here and Tupperware para sa rasyon. Food, then food. I got my poncho, you know, umbrella, and my gadgets for our vlog. Good morning, sunshine. Galing lang ako doon sa amin. Hinihinga na ako. kamusta naman mamaya. And there you go. That's my OOTD. Ewan ko kung mag-hike ba ako o kung parang social na magnanakaw yung mukha ko. There's my bag. And there, the dog is barking. Hey dog. Baka pinagkamalan talaga akong magnanakaw. Man. See you later sa bundok. Bye. Kumain naman tayo ng pancit canton kanina. Which will be our lunch later. Kaya inaantok na ako. Oh, I thought sila yun. Hindi na sila yaman. I got my tinapay here. Another one is approaching. I don't know if sila yun. Oh, this is so nice. Look at the place. Ang tagal nila. So, kailangan ko munang umihi kasi naiihi na talaga ako. This is so beautiful. I will come back here. Thank you very much. What time ka mo ga-open, dire?
Ano ma'am? 7?
At kung gabi, ga-close.
10.
Vista de Acacia just before the bike stop restaurant. And there, we are going back to the highway kasi nasa Hampik na sila. More or less, estimated time ko mga 20 to 30 minutes nandito na sila. I just received a call and nandito na sila sa San Jose. At hinihingal na ako. Man, di pa ako nakaakyat niya na. Hey, finally, nandiyan na sila. Ma'am, thank you sa tambay. Bye-bye. I think so. Tapos si Bobby sino? Ano to?
Sa piyak ka, ma'am. Dito ka nga ba?
Ah, na si Arnold?
Oo, ready sila.
Ala! Hula! Bye-bye! Hey! Sige, ma'am! Hello! Good morning! Nice meeting you all! Imagine! Wala nila ako reserve. Sampulong kuan. Sabay! Grabe sila!
Oh, hindi!
After all this time! Dali kami sa may Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office para register. Vote wisely. Fill up kami before magsaka sa babaw. At least may record ng LGU kung sino man ang mga ga-visit sa ilang lugar. Kag if anything happens, they have a record of us nga proof that we are definitely here sa Valderrama. And of course, ang scammer ko nga afford. Maraming salamat po ang aking witness. Kung anong mga kasong ihahato mo sa akin, ako'y handa, single and ready to mingle. Oh, bye-bye, sir! Thank you! Ipapakulong na kami. Papakulong sa puso mo. Woo! So make sure to bring 2 valid IDs. Is to surrender. Okay, sir. Yes, thank you. Yung ID natin na isa. Hi, Trisha! Nice meeting you! Hello mga kabangbang! Ari nag-iman kita subong on our way to General Fullon. Kag sa likod ko, ari si Manong Joshua ang atin niya guide. Kag mga umod ko so go for this hike. Hello, hello, hello there! 5 kilo. from the bukid. Ano pa kita nga mo expect later?
Makita kay forever.
Dito ka pa makita kung pwede mo lang rin. Papakulong sa puso mo. Mga pila ni siya ka hours sa kamon lockdown later?
6 or 7.
Okay, mga 6 or 7 hours. Kamo na, kagulsa ako, feeling ko kasi mga 8 hours. And in my whole life, honestly, first time ko man mag-overnight. So I'm really expecting something different from the rest of my experiences before. Welcome the team! As per first, bago pa lang nakapila pa lang ka. Wala pa ganing 1 kilometer. Nahapon ako and hambay kagina ni sir. Pag first time mo mag-hike, take your time. Alright. So let's enjoy the view. And yeah, see you sa babaw. Kung hindi kami kung hindi nakapaghapuan. Yeah, vamos! Ish lang ako. Nag-unload lang, nag-unload. May nagaway na, may nagaway na. Tenen nga makatutin. Nagtalang kami ba si Drabla sa babaw. Halaton tangaton ng mga since nadula kami, nadula man kamo. Ayos man. Basta ukod siya, no? Okay lang. Galing daw na una na siya eh. Tani ko laton niya ko. Gani man, tani ko pasalon. Kinunahan niya ko. We found you! Ow, you! Kinanglan mga kubog sa tubig. Sacrifice! Okay na ka? Sir, level ano na ni? Ang totally, sir, level ano na ni? Kapila na ni, nakaduwa, nakita ka bukid o kami isa pa lang? Kita nyo na, wala pa taka isa ka. 10 minutes pa matapos ang isa ka tubig. Ay, isa ka! Isa ka bukid. Yes, this is the next part of our journey. Feeling ko second mountain na siya. Panaog na kami. And got some beautiful rock formation over here. There. So this is what you'll be expecting pag mabagal ka. Hopefully, makita namin sila ulit. Makikita ulit kami.
Forever.
Ayos pa, ayos pa? Okay. Part 2 of getting lost. Lagi na si Tintin ang guide. Subong ako ang guide. Galing next tayo ikaw ng guide, Eds. Para Arnold, where are you? Save us, Arnold. Ano? Nadula kami. Wala, diri man sila. Na, ba't yan ito? Kung madula, hindi mag-move away. We're saved! I really feel so tired. Ma-unload tagamay sa atong bag. Nakaon ko. Ay, nagutom na ko. Just small. 2 hours na kami galakad. 4 more hours to go. I assume. Yeah. I cook this one. Amo pa ng mountain nga. We climbed Damon. And we are still waiting for the rest. I just decided to stay inside my bag and see you sa viewing deck. Bye-bye! Hey mga kakanggang! We are now here to our lunch area. Meet the mountain.
water, oh. Water, water, oh.
What's the water? Yay! Hello. Gusto ko siya try. Ay, but I don't know. Hindi ko ka. May dala akong water. I also got Gatorade. Magparaog na lang kami tomorrow kung maubusan ko water. But yeah, if I'll try, that would be my first time. Dami ko first time today. I'm really having a hard time. Like seriously, ginahapon ako na pa. First hour pa lang. Pero, it's worth the try. It's worth the kapoy. It's worth the Jollibee. Enjoy. Ay, may SNR. Kung sa babaw. Ah, sana nga. Sana nga ramdam niya ako. Ah! Kaya dito ka pa makita kung pwede mo lang diri. SNR. Judgmental. Ang taon ko naluto ato itlog. Ay, bongga. Naluto ato itlog. Tapos wala akong kawash akong hands. Dirty. Sa viewing deck kag milas ako. Luwagi dito ang bilang. Look at there sa front ko. Good vibes. Cute, cute.
Jump shot, ma'am. Pakatoto, ma'am.
Nakasimol!
Yes! Marker pa na gan Sir Slay.
Here. I'm so drained, but it's fine. 2 more hours to go, and we'll go up there. All right, bye-bye. Yay! We will be staying on a tent. First time ko tong mag-tent, and there na sila sa loob. Hi! Walang tao sa kabila.
Okay ka lang
Diyan
ba?
kayong lahat. Yeah. I'm just staying here. Yay!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!